How to delete account in the Bereal app. If you have been using the Bereal application and wondering on how to delete your account on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bereal application. Just like this. After that, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to delete your account, tap onto your profile at the bottom, just right here. Select it. Then here you can find your settings, just right here. Tap on it. Then scroll down and here you can find other option, just right here on the settings section. Now select it. Then finally here you can find the delete account option. Now tap on it. Now simply choose one of these options that why you want to delete your account. Simply tap onto one, then tap onto yes, I'm sure. Then simply your account will be deleted. And that's it. This is how you can delete your account in the Bereal app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.